Bombo clad. Yeah, you boy. Vamos. Vaya. Vamos. Bombo clad, yun. Ila ka dito buwan sa? Not. Yo, shot man. Yo, I reach a beer man, yo. Yeah, man, I reach a beer man. Son of that, me a tell you from when, bro? Pull the string, sir, man. Pull the string, sir. Boy, I'm going to know what I'm Pull the string, sir. Bumbuckler, watch out. Father, pull the string, yes, sir. See the string up on the seat, yes, sir, me a pint. Man, that seat say a mash up, man.
Yeah, that man will ride it.
Bumbuckler.
You have to deal with me too, brother. And I'm going to catch me on the phone, brother.
I catch up on the phone, I'm on the phone.
Can't no quick phone telephone for me people be attack about say brother. You have to worry for deal with you. You deal with that man. I'm just super happy to say. We thank you for that. Have to time for me. Oh, you got time for come out and one and go sit down. Like in a two man you have to respond now. We tell that man can work at daytime. I didn't tell you if you have time for me, have to time for me.
So we want to do a daytime.
If you have time for me, brother, you have time for me, brother, just have me sit down, so me not nobody to talk to me, can't tell me how I go on, how we are going to make life, and then something they just have me half away, far away of my head, like Smarty, I tell us enough to deal with me, because please, you're not fucking me, because I'm a handicap man, you don't hear me. Blood flood.
I better send a report about Buckler at the station, pussy hole. I better send a report. I better send a report about Buckler. I'm a reporter about Buckler, you know. I'm a reporter. You're going too bad. No, the boy want box me down a while ago to blood clot. The man want box me down a while ago. But report him, man. Yeah, man, you go to jail, man.
I check him myself.
Boy, I send check, man.
And that's not right. And no, that's serious, you know.
Yes, and that then do me. I do picking it. El Aj Louis Farrakhan picking it. Benami picking it. Muta Baruka, son. This a Kabuma Akeru, son. A High FM picking it this. Me, no radio station in a Jamaica, nor TV, when me go ask you help me cannot play simple. None of my slang. It tear with to Rugujala. A daddy for life. None of me sing them, nor me slang them. Nobody can play them, nor me show them. Nowhere around the world if them not authorized by me or who me authorize. My intellectual property is mine. And my name Izeel before me even have sense. Me consider for my birth certificate. My name is Ezekiel Bruce Simpson. Try use initial out of that and see if you know see Izeel. Every zeal encourage knowledge in equal living, brutal, rugged and holy character everywhere. So I must present some organizing novel. Look if you don't see Izeel in that and that the for my blood clot birth certificate. My birthright. I hit me a defend. Thank you very much.
Are you make talk to because you know no blood clot sense. See two of them there. Two girl clown them. Two girl clown them. If you put a girl in a shop you know no pussy fi fuck. Think on girl like her. Be animal usually fucking a prince. Be animal usually fucking up. Be animal usually blood clot fuck. Me say be animal usually fuck. You can't talk to me. What do you mean?
Yo, as important brown man.
You fuck too much goat man at that video. But if you talk fuck goat brother.
Yo, blood clot, I must be sitting there, the work, boy. How are the work? I don't watch me, the watch you. I made this dark Christian, I'm saying they come through bush. Come buckler. No. Remember, I don't know, but I made this dark Christian.
Back where country around, know that. Long time with the motor, you get the voice come on. Crime rate, at them. The more crime go along, they make more money off of it. The bandsman make more money. The autopsy make more money. Government want crime to happen every day. You fuck. You want weapon dead you fuck. Because the amount of video that they COVID going to the bus now in glad you fuck. Come like you idiot, my own. Alright. I don't study English again or maths now. I study human psychology. What is human psychology? How you move and me move. Movements of people, we study nowadays. How you move against me, we study you. And that's the biggest crime right now. Study how your blood clot people are moving against you. I know what is human psychology. Not study blood clot much English that now. None of them have it and Arokas Mamati. That's no. Human psychology we are living. Oh, fuck that. And that's the gun to. Study blood clot, human psychology. How the people are moving against people. And you find out how the country are run. Much English and nothing again. Studiation beat out education because all the youth them say my chap and can read. But they collect money off our line, don't. They are Mark X done, they are Benz done, they are Bima done. And they can read. A man can read and write party there. Supermarket can't wear my drive. Nothing. That's my blood clot thing. I can't blood clot either. But that, the man never tell you they're fully blood clot done. Fully blood clot done. So have the most blood clot money. So you want education, if you fully done so much blood clot money back up. You fuck you do education, if you fully done so much money. Where education I go? You see, teacher and girl I said teacher fuck you alright. And a student are right and teacher ain't gonna foreign. Like your blood, the Jamaican told one blood clot Batman, Sodomite country, you're blind daddy. The good teacher them gone. Good nurse them gone. I get better money Muta Baruka said that teacher. And I get that teacher Kingston College and I get that you see I get 4 times the blood clot money the Kingston College and live foreign right now. So you have to mention Jamaica we probably believe. No way. Because government I want Batman. You if you raise minimum rate. How much gas you have in your car? When they are quarter tank, you can't put minimum gas in it, no it done. The maximum you have to go. So if you rate blood clot minimum. Maximum blood clot, you say if you blood clot that. But if you increase minimum, if you can increase the water when you done, no more blood clot, no water you get, you have increase water when it go up. Just increase when it go up, and it's the cheap water that go up and go up. You idiot daddy. You must see that there Jamaica man, I hate them fuck. Must blood clot eat that there Jamaica man. That Jamal can't hold them a blood clot or them fucking. I be a clean clothes madman you have, you know, full up on buck lad.
Yo, all the money if you give a week, brother. That can buy.
Alright, Mr. Chin pay some girl 9,000 a week and we see Mr. Chin place and wipe out it. And you can have a little stall on the front and sell 10,000 of the blood clot there. Because I sell some red stripe or some cigarette. Yeah. We are working for yourself, but suck yourself, Mr. Chin. When a man tap the line, he will credit himself, he have 30,000 in pocket, he have blood tag up with Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin say, how much money can you get for the side? That way I mix concrete, we hold there and sweat and run. He say, go suck your mother, kill you and kill the shovel. He could have put the shovel and say, Batty boy, we are getting this work I do. And he can go by the line and man give him a client and he makes a bang bang get 100,000. When post 100,000, he get you want 5 more 100,000. Now wait a man. Oh, fuck that. First I fuck a girl, you want to fuck you again. First I get pussy, you want to fuck the girl again, because at least you come like you don't give him no good fuck. I lie. Next time you say, I'm going to turn up your foot upside down. And every time you fuck her different. Because the more money you get, the more hyper you get, and the bigger vehicle you get. You understand? I hype this fuck up everything, daddy.
You want the princess that pump the penis? No, not tonight. Big like this, life was on. He said, Lord God Almighty. And take you $500.
Uncle, chop up your blood.
You know want them the blood clot, you live here, none man. And me a run thing this, so nobody now set up me a fast. When me done build up my place, when me done build up my place, and do what me I do. Now nobody give no gas, me a catch
You need a broke.
Make me broke, me no broke, make me go and broke. So me serious and come.
They don't have fool, man, back at class today.
Remember me, I sir? And we sir? And when me mother know what happened, when me now run for nobody. My boy, and put funny. And lock up my house, God, more can come in like free for do what me want. Me auntie tell me. But if you love me and people not love me down. Yeah, man. Can't live so better. And the man uncle I say, when Branco go move over, so I must know. And me sick this up. I must know for my house.
Go in church. Me a white girl for you, no?
Me no want none, man. Me no want no white.
You don't want a girl?
Me no bother want none.
You don't bother want none?
But I use their brain. Me must know, you know, me boy. When me go.
Okay, no?
tonight, brother. Take a camera where you see me, look for me now and look back at me and zoom up it. And look in between me and him is space where you see and everything. And look and read. And then you can go talk. No man never teach me things when me know. I kiss me kissy drum. No Jesus said like a scientist. Anywhere me walk on the face I blow. The drum defend me. Jesus, when me did a kissy drum, me need kissy because of Jesus. The Jesus no underground, Jesus in I see. A rat note melt out long time in a see Jesus. Jesus not that ground. Jesus walk on water.
How great that man?
And a man, a board and whole rusty rascal all iron named Jesus. John Hawkins have that. Create for Winnipeg.
Peace and love, peace and
SSS Jesus, and that name Jesus. No more Jesus no create. A man create that. SSS Jesus. SSS Jesus. No man, look here brother. A cocky create man. And pussy. So you can't stand there. But you're Jesus. Jesus a ship. Ship. I mean no ride by Jesus. I mean they ride with Jesus when they come from Africa. Who ride it? Zang. Zang. We ship with you and me come here. Poor blood clot all all India me go before me reach here. And still come here. And that's why they call us West Indies. Because they see I West India. I Zang there come here. Zang. Z-O-N-G. Zang. Zang right. Me I go one want something near my zeal. Zang. Yeah. I tell you. Because I sang here, me come here, so me have to know the song. I feel me that.
What's the one question?
Yeah.
The man who can't hear Selassie, see?
I know hear Selassie. I'm my brother. Eh? I'm my brother. I know hear Selassie.
How?
Aile
Selassie.
Yeah.
You know him?
Aile Selassie. Yeah.
I used to know him, son. For me born every time I look in a mirror, I mean I be looking in a mirror to see myself, I can scope and draw a picture of myself right there and show you. I know hear Selassie. Aile Selassie. Yeah. That is I. Anyway, I get.
So that, where is it now? You ever get your bed? Sit down there, sick and say, Jesus God.
No, I fuck creator. I fuck let's see if you say Jesus can help you.
The must.
No man.
The must. Who help you?
Who help you? You.
God.
In my trouble. Help me in my trouble. I food them in and then medicine. Then you take for the food.
You have time of trouble, you see?
In time of
Who
trouble.
you call upon? Like if you are pray. You don't pray.
Give me enemy. My prayer. Hear my prayer. My prayer is like a greeting. We don't say, Hote, Asanta Sana, Yankun Kunu Pikibu, Hang Pujar Sole, Salam Aleikum. And my prayer. I don't have no more prayer.
So who you pray today?
I don't pray, me pray.
Who you say that to?
I don't say me say it.
Who you be?
I tell you who me be.
Yes.
So who you be? Who you be?
You know, see?
You read in a proper English?
In a proper English.
You read in
I wish part of England in proper England. England speak English. So which part of England?
Where you say the
You not pastor?
Yeah.
They don't part of me talk.
Who me not understand me say the way?
A young kuno picky boo, that means me I want picky me. A rasta picky me. Oh, that mean greetings. Me tell them say greet me a greetings. Asanta Sana, greetings. I greet me, you know.
I force you to cut to
No, I tell you.
No, you don't say it.
It's a make it so.
People,
It's a vitamin
a
C.
virus is, I'm back to out there, a virus is here, and it's a money virus, then I jump make it. In the world, after World War II, they come, and the man, they burn it down, because we don't go with them to say the people them. You don't know where I'm going in a world. This is your name, terrorist item, terror fuckery.
It's really clear.
I just now want rum, go buy rum.
No,
pass it now, man.
This can't go in
You know why people ever know, no?
I know, but it have vitamin D in it.
Now, vitamin D already, there's so much plant there.
It have vitamin C too.
You know, so them blood clot, yeah. Illusion to my mind. This is the blood clot thing with Trump have. It is there after World War II. You were going on 6 million Jews dead. Eichmann and Hitler, Mussolini, kill them there. So how we go pay them price, yeah? When 6 million,
Over 1 billion people dead in our world war to all about China everybody. So the man them burn it out. You know, say never see smoke without fire. Scientists say every day they're going to resurrect the dead. At this time resurrect scientists. Scientists were on a batty blood clot boy. We look up in a lot of fuck batty. How many of those scientists are get married yet? Like Nostradamus and Isaac Newton. You can't go around me, you know. Making virus to kill people. And that's what in a lab do, you know. You want a blood clot anti-aircraft and a lab on them, put them swallow and shot. This thing here is a virus that Trump have. It's a money bag of the wickedest one. It's going to mash up the world economy. The world now, the why the man them burn it down like after World War II. German, the whole of Europe, NATO, European, you burn it down. Hey, Trump, a straight fire to it, blood clot. Me don't have nothing to raise. Consumer, my thing is on the same price. Venezuela go pay 35% tax. So, United States own Venezuela oil. That me I wonder. France say more take the Statue of Liberty back from America because America is not why usually. And the BBC me listen here what go on in Europe. You see France, they underestimate France and Bonaparte that. Russia, see Russia, members of Bonaparte have run up on blood clot down in the world war. Because Bonaparte have some man them are duelists. When Bonaparte have them in a suit and tie and take about 20 steps and turn and shot. Them man they gamble them wife, them people, them lad in a World War II. Bonaparte! So you Russia say a blood clot you go like a bad boy but if you go through iron gate. What we are going to do? Like you want to press nuclear this and nuclear that. Suck your mother. Vladimir Puto. Benjamin Netanyahu from Israel. How we put them there? Them are Israeli. Them are Israeli because 6 million of them are going to born. If you ever listen to no World War II, no all the casino. So let me tell you something European, you never try to go around me, that was some long ago, you know. I'm a part of the army man, them tell me everything. I say no. And them brethren them teach me for fight. Me not have a knife to fight nobody. Get a death in a karate in a front and kick with your foot. And you buck up in a knee punch. A soldier blood tell them brethren them train over to fight. A Johnson will ban and go to Kingston. So me not have to take out the knife. From the enemy now no for them. Mash down your blood clot in my beer run. Also you can say that play with the room and never run. Come go and play the soul.